I'm back with a lot of clay phone charms. Hello my little clay friends and my crafty cuties. Today I'm gonna show you all the phone charms that I made myself this year, so you can get ideas from them to make your own clay charms. Before you watch this video and enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my crazy channel so you won't miss the next ones. Alrighty, let's go. Let's go. These phone charms would be a great Valentine's Day gift. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up. Well, I know this is shameful and disgusting, but you can also put this charm in his Valentine's Day pack just for fun. Making emojis can be the best idea for phone charms. You can make any emoji that you like. If you like anime items, tell me in the comments so I can make other models. This one is my favorite. It's great for artists. A cute guitar phone charm for artists. Can you play an instrument? Can you guess which job this phone charm is suitable for? And it's time to see how to use these phone charms.
Soft strings of gold, they sway, they bend. A ripple of light where echoes blend. The harp, it whispers a gentle stream. No words, no bounds, just open air. A melody born of tender care. Humming clouds drift without a name. Notes like feathers, they rise, they fall. A quiet breeze through an endless hall. Each pluck a step on a glowing beam. The sun dips low in a silent torque. Shadows waltz to the harp's sweet spark. In this place the